Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking to find a solution to this system of equations. We're going to use elimination here, so let's get it where the x's and the y's are lined up. So for this second equation, we want to line it up with the first. So we get negative x plus 2y is equal to negative 19. And we want to multiply this equation by something so that when we add the equations, one of the variables will cancel out. Now, do we want x to cancel out or y to cancel out? Well, if you notice here, we are solving for x or y by doing the canceling out. If we solve for x, we'll know which answer is going to be our solution, because every single one of these has a different x. If we solve for y, we have two negative 6's here. If it ends up being negative 6, then we won't know and we'll have to solve for x again anyways. So to save time, we want to solve for x, which means we want y to cancel. So if we multiply this by something so that it cancels out with 4, well, if we multiply it by 2, then we have 3x plus 4y equals negative 23. That stays the same. Then we have negative 2x plus 2 times 2 is plus 4y is equal to 2 times negative 19 is negative 38. And now, with elimination, when we subtract these, we have 3 minus negative 2x is 3 plus 2 is 5x. 4y minus 4y, again, cancels out, which is perfect. And then negative 23 minus negative 38 is negative 23 plus 38, which we can think of as 38 minus 23, which is 15. Dividing both sides by 5, we get that x is equal to 15 divided by 5 is 3. So which of these has x equal to 3? Well, it's going to be this one, so therefore B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.